wanted some cute luggage to take with me, and I found this gorgeous pink set. Isn't it Barbie inspired? I'm so excited to use it. I seriously cannot wait. So I wanted to unbox it with you and kind of show you my initial impressions. It's very tough exterior, so I know it's gonna really last a long time. And that was interesting. I've never seen keys like the zippers. I've never seen them be able to lock like that. So I'm gonna have to research how to open this. This is really cool, but they go in here so you can't unzip it. And I'll have to look into that and see how that works. But let's see. If I pull up, it released right away. So it's not locked yet. I'm sure I have to set it somehow. So let's open this and kind of take a look inside. How pretty is this? I love this little compartment up here that's a zipper compartment. Has this one externally and then this one internally. So you could keep some stuff separated right here in this little spot. And it came with a really cute toiletry bag that I can't wait to check out. And then I love when luggage has the luggage straps to just hold everything in place so it doesn't topple out if you overstuff it a little bit, which I tend to often do. It has really nice wheels that I can't wait to test out too. So with this set, you get the two bags. You get this little cute mini bag to put cosmetics or whatever you want, toiletries or something like that I would think would be great in this one. And you get this one, which would also be a great bag for like blow dryers or curling irons, or even just to have like your laptop and stuff that you want really easily accessible on the plane. I love this inner zipper compartment and that it zips on top. It's just a gorgeous set and it will be so perfect to travel with. I love this zipper I missed initially on the outside. And then on the little mini bag, it's nice because it has these little snap straps that you could snap this to something if you want to snap it and secure it more that way. I also love how this telescopes up so high for the handle, and it wheels so nicely. The wheels are multi-directional and move so smoothly, so that will make it really nice to roll in the airport.